In this question, we have to find fundamental period of a given function. The given function is fx equal x plus a minus box of x plus b plus sin pi x plus cos 2 pi x plus sin 3 pi x plus cos 4 pi x and up to so sin 2n minus 1 pi x plus cos 2n pi x, and we have to find fundamental period of this function. Clearly here x plus a is not a periodic function, so we have to make first term is a periodic function. For that we will add and subtract b in first term. So fx now becomes x plus b negative and plus a minus b. Here we are adding and subtracting b minus box x plus b, and remaining terms remain same. Now fx will become fractional part x plus b plus a minus b, and remaining terms are same as in first step. Sin pi x cos 2 pi x plus sin 3 pi x plus cos 4 pi x up to so sin 2n minus 1 pi x plus cos 2n pi x. Now we can see that every term in this step is a periodic function. Clearly period of its period is equal to 1. We know that period of sin x is 2 pi. So period of sin pi x will be 2 pi by pi. We know that if fx is a periodic function with fundamental period t, then fax has period t by mod a, where a is not equal to 0. So by that theory we have written this. Now cos 2 pi x has period 2 pi upon 2 pi, sin 3 pi x has period 2 pi upon 3 pi, cos 4 pi x has period 2 pi upon 4 pi, and so on. Sin 2n minus 1 pi x has period 2 pi upon 2n minus 1 pi, and for the last 2 pi upon 2n pi. So here we have written periods of every single term in this. So fx has period, this can be written as 2, 1, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, and 2 upon 2n minus 1, and this is 1 upon n. This is period 1. So in order to finding fundamental period of given function fx, we have to take LCM of all of these periods. LCM is equal to 1, because when we are taking LCM of fractional terms, then that must be taken as LCM of numerators and HCF of denominators. So when we take LCM of numerator, we will get 1, and when we find HCF of denominators, then all of these terms has HCF equal to 1. So LCM of all the periods is equal to 1. Therefore required period of fx is 1, and that's the required answer.